Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI. When I look up at the night sky, I see endless possibilities, galaxies upon galaxies. The human mind has always tried to make sense of the vastness of the universe. And in a way, AI is our attempt to create something equally vast, equally complex right here on Earth. Today, we'll explore what AI is, its types, core areas, real-world applications, and the challenges and concerns surrounding it. We're talking about machines that can learn, reason, and solve problems. Machines that might just change the world as we know it. So, buckle up as we embark on this journey into the mind-blowing realm of artificial intelligence. Get ready to have your neurons fire at warp speed. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? Well, imagine this. A computer program that can learn from its mistakes, just like you and me. It's like teaching a machine to ride a bike. It might wobble at first, but eventually it finds its balance. AI is a branch of computer science focused on building machines and software that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Think about it. What makes us intelligent? We learn, we reason, we solve problems, we understand language, we perceive the world around us. AI aims to replicate these very human capabilities in machines. We're talking about things like learning, reasoning, problem-solving, understanding natural language, and even perception. It's about creating systems that can analyze data, recognize patterns, make decisions, and even predict future outcomes. It's like giving machines a taste of what it means to think. Now, just like there are different species of animals, there are different types of AI. First up, we have narrow AI, also known as weak AI. This type is like a specialist, really good at one specific task. Think Siri or Google Translate. They're masters of their craft, but don't ask them to write a symphony. Facial recognition software is another great example. It's designed to identify faces, and it does that one thing incredibly well. Then there's general AI, or strong AI. This is the kind of AI we usually see in science fiction machines, with human-like intelligence across many different tasks. Imagine a computer that can write a poem, compose a symphony, and then beat you at a game of chess. Now, this type of AI is still largely theoretical, something we're striving for. And finally, we have the most mind-boggling of them all, Artificial Superintelligence, or ASI. This is the hypothetical AI that surpasses human intelligence in every way imaginable. It's the stuff of both dreams and nightmares, and it fuels a lot of debate about the future of humanity. So, how do we build these intelligent machines? What's under the hood? Well, AI is powered by some pretty incredible core areas. We're talking about machine learning, or ML for short. This is where algorithms let systems learn from data without being explicitly programmed. It's like teaching a computer to recognize cats by showing it thousands of cat pictures. Then there's natural language processing, or NLP. This allows machines to understand and even generate human language. Think about how Alexa understands your questions, or how Google Translate can decipher entire websites. That's NLP in action. But wait, there's more. We have computer vision, enabling machines to see and interpret visual information just like we do. This is what powers self-driving cars and those nifty facial recognition filters on your phone. And let's not forget robotics. This is where AI gets physical. We're talking about robots that can perform tasks in the real world, from assembling cars to performing surgery. And then there are expert systems, which are like having a specialist on call 24/7. These systems are designed to mimic the decision-making of human experts in specific fields. Okay, so we've covered the basics, but where do we actually see AI in action? Well, folks, it's already everywhere. In healthcare, AI is being used for disease diagnosis, personalized treatment plans, even drug discovery. We're talking about potentially life-saving applications. In finance, AI is hard at work detecting fraud, making lightning-fast algorithmic trades, and even powering the customer service chatbots you interact with online. And let's not forget transportation. Self-driving cars are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They're on our roads today thanks to AI. AI is also personalizing our education with tailored learning tools and AI tutors. And when it comes to entertainment, those Netflix recommendations, yep, that's AI too. It's even changing the way video games are designed and played. Now, with all this incredible potential comes responsibility. One of the biggest concerns is bias in AI. See, AI systems learn from the data we feed them. And if that data reflects our own human biases, the AI will inherit those biases, which can lead to unfair or even harmful outcomes. Privacy is another big one. As AI systems become more sophisticated and gather more data, how do we ensure that our privacy is protected? And then there's the elephant in the room: job displacement. As AI automates more tasks, what happens to the people who currently do those jobs? Finally, we have the big questions of ethics and control. Who gets to decide how AI is developed and used? How do we make sure it's used for good and not for harm? These are questions we need to answer as a society. As we continue to advance in the field of AI, it's crucial to stay informed about its capabilities and the ethical considerations it brings. It's like navigating uncharted waters. We need to proceed with both excitement and caution, asking the tough questions and working together to ensure a future where AI benefits all of humanity. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of AI. Remember, the universe is full of mysteries, and AI is one of the most fascinating mysteries we're unraveling right now. Stay curious and keep exploring.